watching you, look like making progress almost apparently, seemingly day by day. Do you feel that's the case? You're making progress pretty rapidly?
Yeah, definitely. Feel pretty good. Been getting my treatment. Trainers been doing a good job with that. Definitely want to get 2 preseason games in before the regular season starts. So that's good to know. Ready to go.
How does it feel now compared to how it felt first day of camp? Your hamstring.
I feel much better. When I make a move, I don't feel nothing pulling. Not too bad. So I'm doing moves. And full effect how I want to go in the game. So I feel pretty good. Just hamstring is tricky. Some days they feel good, some days they don't. But they've been doing a good job of icing and getting my rehab in. And just been coming out here getting them shots, just trying to get ready for the regular season.
Did you practice today?
We didn't really have practice today. It was just more of a PD day. Get with the coaches, get some shots up. That was pretty much it.
Practice yesterday, though, right?
Yeah, definitely. I got out there a little bit. It wasn't contact though. We just ran through plays. First time getting out there with the guys and moving full speed. So it felt pretty good.